It is 3:58 p.m. Sunday afternoon, LaGrange, Illinois. We're looking east down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Chicago Subdivision. Behind me is a Metro Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois. We just watched an eastbound BNSF Intermodal, probably heading for their Cicero, Illinois Intermodal terminal, not too far east of here. West of Chicago, east of LaGrange, Illinois here. Beautiful sunny afternoon here in LaGrange, Illinois. Now 3:59 p.m. Sunday afternoon, February 19th, 2023, LaGrange, Illinois, over and out.